Guys, I want to teach you a secret, and if you can follow this secret consistently, hey, mother, a mother, someone that gave birth to, someone that gave birth to someone that gave birth to will be the one dragging your downfall. Most time, all those witches they are do some things a certain time in the night. So when they wake up, they might regret it because it's the witch controlling them. And what you have to know about witches is that most of them, you see, those things they do it to get position, to get favor in the coven. You cannot just come to the coven and sit down if you have not paid for your seat. And to pay for a seat, you must have killed one or two of body, or you must have do something strong, terrible to somebody before you buy a seat. You cannot just come in the coven with the audacity you dance. No, before you dance, you must have paid for it. So anything that happens in the coven, one person must have paid for it. You must pay for it before you enjoy.
I will tell you everything you need to know to solve the problem and the solution.
Guys, I want to teach you a secret, and if you can follow this secret consistently, hey, you are going to get rich soon. Okay, if you can follow this secret continuously, you are going to be rich soon. Okay, it is easier to get rich than you could ever imagine. It's just that you just need the knowledge. Apart from being it, I know that quite alright. A lot of people in this Africa are suffering. Africa would have been very great if not the witchcraft that is happening around. The witchcraft in Africa, especially in my country, here, is too much. You will see a mother, someone that gave birth to, someone that gave birth to someone that gave birth to will be the one dragging your downfall. Most time, all those witches they are do some things a certain time in the night. So when they wake up, they might regret it because it's the witch controlling them. And what you have to know about witches is that most of them, you see, those things they do it to get position, to get favor in the coven. You cannot just come to the coven and sit down if you have not paid for your seat. And to pay for a seat, you must have killed one or two of body, or you must have do something strong, terrible to somebody before you buy a seat. You cannot just come in the coven with the audacity you dance. No, before you dance, you must have paid for it. So anything that happens in the coven, one person must have paid for it. You must pay for it before you enjoy it. That is how the witch realm work. Is well. So today, guys, I just want to teach you some little things you can do if you are finding it difficult to eat, and you want to make money, and you want money to come to you naturally. Then I want to teach you some little things you can do so that you seek for, you will get it. I've made a video on this thing before. That some human beings have simple things that they can actually use, but they focus on pay people to do things for them because they believe that's what you work, which is not always true. There was a time I made a video on that. Before you eat any food you eat, pray on that food. Not just protection, pray on that food what you want, because the food you eat is what gives you energy. It won't give you energy that radiates the energy to the universe. See, there's connection between you and the food you eat, and that's why sometimes I normally my people don't talk while you eat. Spiritually, it has effect in the sense that maybe you are eating food and you are discussing about somebody that let me say you are discussing about somebody that the business fail. As you are eating that food, your food has the ability to absorb your spoken word. This can happen to you too in the future. This might be an eye opener. You might think maybe this guy is saying just say rubbish, but I know what I'm saying, believe me. So when you are eating food, be careful the kind of words you say. Like a lot of things were taught, like Jesus Christ, a lot of things are in the Bible, but just that this generation, they are not actually getting the right message of it. If you want to eat, it is what you want to eat. After getting it, hold it like this. God, thank you for this food. As I'm eating this food, I want this food to bring me favor. I want this food to give me the positive energy to attract money. I want this food to bring the right customer that will patronize my business. As I'm eating this food, I want those people that have forgotten me to remember me. Pray on the food you are eating, what you want. After praying on the food you are eating, what you want, then eat your food. But this is not what I want to teach you. This is just an advice, because if I'm to make a video on this, I will speak in late on this. So after making your prayers on this what you want, then the next thing you do you eat your food. So this one is bygone. So today I want to teach you how you can actually use rice to draw money. Yes, it is very easy to use rice to draw money. I have make a lot of video on how to use rice to draw money. So quick one, how do you use rice to draw money? Now this is how you use rice to draw money. At least first week of the month. Okay, first week of the month, within the first week or within the first 14 days of the month. Okay, get rice. If you can get local rice, perfect. But if you cannot get local rice, you use any type of rice you can have access to. Get raw rice. Wash that raw rice very well. Wash out. So that milk, or that's the rice water you are going to get from the water. That rice water is what you need. Okay. Wash that rice very well. Then get the rice water. Okay, you have to do this very early in the morning, around that kind 5-6 in the morning. So get the water. After you have gotten the rice water, then as early as 5-6 in the morning, before 7 o'clock, okay, when you will mix that rice water with your bathing water. If you can have an open place where you can take your bath, perfect. But if you don't have any open place you can take your bath, take your bath inside, or your normal bathroom, your normal bathing place. Okay, mix that rice water with your bathing water. Pray on that water, how you want money to flow to you, how you want unable to be cutting your blessing, just like rice is uncountable. Because spiritually, rice represents abundance. Each and every element you see on earth has what it represents spiritually. So rice is what represents abundance spiritually. So you pray on the water how you want money to come to you, how you want those people that have your contact, how you want your contacts to bless you, how you want those people that forgot you to remember you, how you want your business to flourish, how you want people to patronize you when it comes to money, how you want people might, when you do this, you pray. Somebody might want to give you 15 naira before, but that person will end up give you 100. So you make that prayers on it. When you don't make a prayer, use your bare hand okay? You have to use your bare hand to pour the water. Like your bare hand, use your bare hand like this to fetch the water. You start your bath from your head. First of all, pour the water on your head. Start your bath from your head. So use your bare water to pour in the water. While pouring the water, keep making prayers of progress, prayers of favor, prayers of abundance. Okay. So this is how you use rice water to draw money. When you are done taking your bath, you allow. If you are taking your bath, when you are done, you can just come outside. The only way a breeze can touch you. So you allow your body to dry naturally. Don't use anything to clean your body. Allow your body to dry naturally, and don't rub your body cream until after like 30 minutes to 1 hour. You can rub your body cream, or 15. Let me say anything for 15 minutes and above. You can rub your body cream. Once you do this, you'll see how even those people that forgot you will remember you. Even those people that don't like giving you money before will want to give you money. So if you can be doing this thing consistently every first week of the month, I promise you, by special grace of Almighty God, you'll see how things will change for you. But if you are the kind of person that you always see yourself running the dream, you already have the cowboys attack. You always have cowboys attack. Or you normally eat in the dream. You know that yes, they are seriously fighting you. If you are the kind of person that always have this dream, I will advise you get egg, break that egg at the shell inside your bathing water. Add salt to that bathing water. Do prayers of cleansing. Then after 3 days and above or 5 days and above, then you can do this prayer so that this will work for you. Because there are people that once they try some spiritual work, it doesn't work for them. So I will advise you take this egg and salt bath first before you do this particular spell. Okay, if you want to know how to do this egg and salt bath, I made a video on what you're supposed to do at every ending of the month. You will search it. What you are ritual to do every ending of the month is there on my channel. So you do this so that any spiritual work you do will work for you, so that this particular one you will do will work for you. Don't forget to like this video if you find it helpful,